4 Essential Steps to Building Business Continuity in a Crisis.
Taking relevant proactive steps to build business continuity in a crisis is essential for maintaining operations under challenging conditions. Here are 4 essential steps for building business continuity in a crisis. 1. Start by conducting a thorough risk assessment to identify threats and develop a comprehensive continuity plan that includes backup systems, alternative suppliers, and emergency responses. Make sure that the plan is robust and clearly outlines procedures for maintaining essential functions during a crisis. 2. The second step is to train employees appropriately. By doing this, employees understand their roles and responsibilities during a crisis, which in turn ensures a coordinated response. In addition, conduct regular drills and simulations to reinforce these procedures and identify any gaps in the plan and plug them. 3. The third essential step is to maintain effective communication. So, establish effective communication channel to keep employees, customers, and stakeholders informed about what is happening and how the business is responding. Remember, communication is key in a crisis, as it helps in maintaining everyone's trust and confidence. 4. Lastly, the fourth essential step is to leverage technology strategically, because when used smartly, technology solutions can enhance business continuity in a big way. Therefore, invest in reliable technology solutions like cloud computing and remote work tools, as they enable employees to continue working even if physical office spaces are unavailable. But remember that these 4 essential steps must be implemented simultaneously to achieve best results. Overall, this 4 steps proactive approach to building business continuity in a crisis enhances business resilience, minimizes losses, and strengthens customer trust.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies, and free white papers.